So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google, type in Postgres, and follow the links. Go to Download, Windows, and then download the installer. Once you have the installer downloaded, you can open it up. Just remember that all the default settings are fine. There's nothing really complicated here. This part's going to take a couple of minutes, just bear with it. You're installing a pretty big program. Once that's finished, you're probably going to want to verify that you've installed Postgres correctly, and the way to do that is to open up pgadmin. This will also take a little bit of time, but what we're really looking for here is that you're able to see a server. Also, you can set the default password that you want to use for when you're connecting to this thing. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Here's a cat pic. I'll be doing some more tutorial videos on Postgres. Dislike, unsub, verbal abuse, really any engagement at all would be appreciated. All right, bye.